Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys are old, then welcome freaking back. In today's video, we are finally going to be cleaning up the hoarding room. As you guys know, I've been trying to clean up this room for the last week and a half now, and we're finally going to do it today because packaging all my Depop and Poshmark orders literally took me days. I want to say it took me probably 60 to 70 hours straight just packaging, labeling, organizing. So the first plan of attack is we are going to chip off all of these boxes. I packaged these all last night and we finished all of them, so that's what we're gonna do. I don't even know how many boxes are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's a lot. Also, here is a little overview of the entire hoarding room. As you guys can see, look how little these boxes have become. This was filled with stuff I wanted to donate and give to you guys. Look how little I have now. So this is my highlighters, blushes, and bronzers, lipsticks, foundation, makeup brushes, body care products, eye products. That used to be 2 full boxes. And then we have a little skincare pile and a little hair pile. Last run through before we start moving all these boxes out of this room. My hands are washed. I dropped every single Depop box back at USPS. If your guys' stuff doesn't start tracking in the next like 4 days, let me know, contact me. Right now we are back inside of the hoarding room slash guest room. I need to stop calling it a hoarding room. It's a guest room, not a hoarding room. We're taking that out of the equation because I think when I call it a hoarding room, it allows me to hoard things in it because I'm like, well, it's literally called the hoarding room for a reason. So we're not calling that anymore. We're calling it the guest room slash filming room because I originally wanted to start filming in this room because this room actually has the best lighting out of all the rooms. As you guys can tell, the lighting in here is so good. But we got all of the boxes out and holy freaking cow, it looks so good in here. Let me show you guys. It looks so much better. Although it doesn't look that great, it looks and feels so much better without all of this stuff that was just loitering right here. We are gonna fill this cup back up so I can drink and stay hydrated, and then we are gonna clean the rest of that room. She is nice and filled. P.S. If you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, I posted a video about how much I spent 30 days before quarantine. You guys should definitely watch it. And you guys, this is the water machine I was talking about in my last video. This guy is $60 a month for water and the actual unit. If I break it down, it's about $2 a day, which is $1 for me and $1 for Matthew. So worth it. All right, we are back in the room. Let's do this. I have an update for y'all. I sorted out all of my PR boxes. These are all the cute PR boxes that I currently have. I wanted to use it as home decor pieces for my beauty room. Matt has always hated on that fact because he doesn't think I'll actually use it. But look what I just did! Yo, look how cute that looks. Honestly, it's not going to always look like this because I'm going to actually organize my entire beauty room. But for now, I kind of organize them. So I have a bunch of PR boxes from different brands. So this is from Lancome, Buxom, Hourglass, Daisy, Tarte, Becca, Fresh, NARS, Sugar Rush, Lancome, Tarte, Beauty Blender, Urban Decay, Beach Waver, Luminous, and I just have a bunch of these makeup bags that I will never ever use. But look how cute this is! Like, it's such a collectible for me because I love when beauty brands spend a lot of time on their PR boxes. I know it's so not necessary, but I do really appreciate it. I honestly think this one is probably my favorite box. It literally looks like a lipstick, and if you pop it open, there are more lipsticks in here. Your girl wants to become a minimalist one day, so one day she will throw these out, but for now I'm just gonna keep them because I think they're so cute. All right, so the next thing I am gonna work on are these freaking clothes that I've been meaning to Poshmark. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang these up because again, I just don't want boxes in here that aren't necessary. Holy crap, guys. I am getting so much done. Whoa! I built my copper rack and I put all the clothes that I want to Poshmark on here. So these clothes are not available on Poshmark, but if you guys want, you guys can follow me on Depop and Poshmark. And I do have some stuff up online already right now, but there is a bunch of stuff that I need to actually put online. And I don't know, let me know down below. Do you guys prefer when people actually put the clothes on, or do you not even care at all? If I had to take photos of myself while putting on the clothes, that's going to take me a lot longer to do. Look how cute everything is. Everything is so cute, but I have so much clothes. I need to get rid of all of this stuff. And I have a bunch of shoes and other little things down here. Down here are like pants. And then I put everything in my makeup bins that were laying out on the floor. And then I just cleaned and organized this little area. So I have some candles from Philosophy. And then, sorry if I sound nasally, but I've been sneezing so much because there's so much dust on these clothes. And so I have my Philosophy perfumes. Then I have all of my Daisy Marc Jacobs perfumes in Days and Sunshine, and they look so freaking cute like this. So originally this box was filled with clothes. I finally get to get rid of the very last box that was in here. That was the goal of mine. If you guys remember from watching my self-isolation series from day one, you guys are the homies. I had literally like 50 cardboard boxes in here that just did not need to be in here. So we are finally getting rid of the last one. I feel so accomplished. Also, the last few days I've been cleaning in this room, I realized I'm not as efficient because I watch a movie, but now I'm just listening to a bunch of people on Spotify and it's making cleaning go by a lot faster. Time to break down that last box. Yay! Woo! Yay! Oh my god, it looks so empty over there. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, so the next thing I am gonna work on that I wanted to show you guys, I have these Alex 9-set drawers that every freaking beauty guru has. It's sitting right here. You would think there's makeup in there. There's not. There's just a bunch of random stuff that I don't need that is in here. So I need to get rid of a lot of stuff in here. I do have everything organized with my little Dymo label maker. That is literally the best thing ever. But only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are actually labeled because the rest of this is a bunch of random stuff I actually do not need. So we are gonna go through these. I have a bunch of wires. This has a bunch of stickers and makeup bags. School supplies are in this guy. This is photo films. Random stuff, literally thousands of dollars worth of cameras that are all broken. She's broken, she's broken, she's broken. More film for my cameras. I have a bunch of wires I need to get rid of. Also, I've had these AirPods for so long now and never once used them. And more random stuff. I have a bunch of old phones in here. Holy cow. Whoa, whoa. What phone is this? I don't even know. So I'm gonna probably keep my phones because it's kind of cool to see like the transformation of phones. Yo, wait, where's my actual phone that I have? Hold on. I actually think this phone is smaller than the other phone that I had. Like, she looks smaller. Is that guy bigger than my phone? That's so weird. So these are all my 4 iPhones that I've had. I kept them because I'm a hoarder. So in the words of Marie Kondo, you gotta take everything out of the drawers, put it in a pile, see everything that you got, throw it all away. This is like not probably a good thing for me to do because the last time I threw stuff on the floor, it took me like 5 whole days to put it back together. So you guys are probably like, Tiff, don't do this. Well, I don't want to do it either, but like, you can't not listen to Marie Kondo, you know? Okay, so here is the pile of stuff that was just in these drawers. That is so much stuff. We're definitely going to be getting rid of a lot of this, but I just wanted to show you guys this little photos drawer. I'm obsessed with this drawer. So this is all of the Polaroids that I've taken for Liv and Jess, for me and my friends, everything in between. Literally regular photos as well. So many memories are in here. It's crazy. Let me try to find more photos. Ooh, there's me, Mia, Lauren, and then here's me, Alexa, and Lauren. Bringing back such good memories. Wow, why are there no photos of like all 4 of Asian Girl Squad together? It's like always split up. Here's me, Mia, Lauren, and then here's me, Lauren, and Remy. But there's no photos of all 4 of us together at an event. little update here. It got really cold, so I put on this sweater that Alicia got me for Christmas. It's like a photo of Zoe. Let me know down below if you guys remember when I got this or not. I'm almost done with cleaning this room. Holy cow, I'm not kidding. I did not think we were gonna get this far today. This room is now so echoey, so I have a few more things I need to do on this side, but for the most part, holy cow, look how clean it is. So I put all of the makeup on this side. So this is all the donation / giveaway pile over here. Then we have all the PR packages that mostly are empty. Then we have all of my school supplies, camera equipment, filming gear in there. Then we have all of my makeup in here. All of my Poshmark clothes here. This is a bunch of stuff that I have for other rooms. P.S. If you're ever cleaning a room, what you should do is you should make 2 or 3 bags for different rooms. So if you ever find an item that belongs in another room, you just stick them in their pile. So I have a kitchen pile, so this is the stuff that needs to go in the kitchen. This is the stuff that needs to go in my bedroom. This is the trash bin. That's a quick little cleaning tip that has helped me so much during this entire process, and it's super helpful so that you don't have to actually go inside that room every single time you find an item that belongs in a different room. You just stick it in a little bag, and then at the end of your cleaning session, you just take that bag into the right room and then organize it from there. So yeah, let me just finish up this room so that I can show you guys the final look. Woo! Oh my god, we are officially done cleaning the hoarding room. Now it is a real guest bedroom, except the bedroom is not in here yet because I don't have a bed frame for it, and I kind of don't want to mess up how cute this room looks without the bed by putting the bed inside of it. So before I show you guys the grand finale of me finally cleaning this room, I wanted to show you guys what my bedroom used to look like before I started cleaning it, when it was seriously a freaking hoarding room. And this is what it looked like. Alright, are you guys ready to see what my guest room looks like now that it's cleaned? Let's go.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Wow, you guys, look at how much floor space I have. There is so much floor. I am not going to keep this in here, but the lighting with my vanity inside this room is so good that I just want to keep it in here because it is dark outside. I don't think I showed you guys this yet, but look what's inside of here. It's nice. She's organized. So this is all of my phone accessories and phone. And then this is all of my nothing. There's nothing in here except this is actually a gift I got from Steve Aoki. He owns this brand. He gave me these headphones. He mailed it to me. I'm pretty sure his manager did. He probably doesn't know who I am anymore. And then underneath here we have all of my photos, my Polaroids, everything like that. And then underneath here we have all of my cameras and their chargers. I have a few more cameras that aren't actually in this pile, but they're in my bedroom because I use them quite often. Underneath here we have all of my camera accessories, mic, cleaning supplies, a tripod. I randomly have the keys to my house from my first house ever that my parents bought like 20 years ago. Then underneath here we have all of my bullet journaling supplies, so all of my markers that I love to use, all the washi tape. Underneath here we have all of my school supplies. I have my glue gun, my super glue, I have lots of tape, highlighters, cutters, scissors, rulers. I organized all of my electronics, so I have my battery chargers. These are all wires that are in here, and I would suggest putting your wires in little cases like this so you don't have to see them. I have old laptop chargers, my mic, randomly have handcuffs because I was gonna do handcuffs to my boyfriend for 24 hours. That has yet to happen. And then we have this, which is my favorite drawer, and this is my Instax drawer. Holy cow, I have so much film. I keep buying more because I keep thinking that I don't have any, but then I finally gathered them all up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 packs of the small ones, and then 4 packs of the big ones. And then I have these random mini filters that fit on top of the Instaxes. Over here, I have my Lush stuff that I want to keep. So these are all my bath bombs, body butters, bath oils. Again, you guys saw this section already. This is where I keep all of my PR packages that I need to actually get rid of, because who actually wants to keep empty boxes? Just this girl. Then we have all of my makeup that I don't want. I actually have a giveaway going on right now. I'll link the video down below so you guys can enter the giveaway, but I am giving away 3 boxes, and each box is gonna have $1,000 worth of stuff inside of it. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway, make sure you guys go check out that video and follow me on Instagram at MissTiffanyMa. P.S. I also have 2 separate giveaways that are also going on my Instagram that have nothing to do with this makeup. One is with all of my friends, and then I have another giveaway going on with Poopery. So if you guys haven't entered that yet, go enter it. And then if we face this way, this is actually Matt's closet, and we are currently in the talks of getting rid of this closet so that it actually goes inside of his studio room, because the studio room closet is actually quite bigger. And then over here we have all of my Poshmark clothes, and then over here is my makeup stuff that I actually want to keep. So this room is going to look a lot cuter over the next few weeks, depending on how long self-isolation lasts, but we are doing new things to this room at some point or another. And yeah, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Holy cow, I cannot believe how clean this room looks. It is so amazing. Thank you guys for watching this entire hoarding room series. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Also, if you guys want to enter all the giveaways that are going on my YouTube channel and my Instagram accounts, go check it out. P.S. I am making TikTok, so might as well like follow me on TikTok too at MissTiffanyMa. But yeah, I want to know how many of you guys made it to the end of the video. So comment down below what color shirt you're wearing right now. I'm currently wearing a pink shirt. All thanks to Alicia Marie. I hope you guys are staying safe. I can't believe it's self-isolation day 9. Also, my birthday is on Tuesday, March 31st. That's literally happening in like a few days, which is so crazy to me. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.